Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a fascinating problem that has been causing some confusion among programmers. The problem we're tackling revolves around a tricky piece of code that behaves differently across various compilers. It's one of those situations where what seems logical might not align with how compilers interpret the code. Let's unravel this coding puzzle together. Now let's delve into the solution to our problem. In C, the code in question is actually not valid due to a specific rule stated in the standard. On the other hand, in C++, the code is considered valid based on how the comma operator behaves in that language. The key difference lies in how the comma operator is treated in each programming language, ultimately determining the validity of the code snippet. In summary, the code we've explored presents an interesting discrepancy between C and C++. While the code is invalid in C due to how the comma operator is defined, it is accepted in C++ because of how the operator behaves in that language. It's a quirky nuance that showcases the subtle differences between programming languages. Well, that's all for today, folks. I hope you found our exploration of this coding conundrum enlightening. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!